Today we talk about how can you find saved searches on your app, on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Redfin app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on saved searches, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here you will find all saved searches you add to this list here. So I have nothing here like you say, but if you have any saved searches, you will find it here in this list on your Redfin app. So that's all you have to do to find this list. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.